This service
provider. Yes. How they are necessary?
They are the persons to whom they have selected.
They are only agencies.
They have selected. Correct. Now those agencies have changed.
Correct. But
now your lordship knows the obvious purpose. Government went, new set of government came, something. Your lordship was saying in one case also, your lordship knows all these things. But question is,
no, how you are concerned?
No, I am not concerned. I won't be there. My agency come, I won't be there. That is the whole thing, my lord. Whole purpose is that.
But now they are saying that priority will be given to you.
Priority won't suffice, my lord. But appointment is to continue. That is my lord's GB.
These 19 persons.
Others are not in this petition, I cannot say. But in the other case, which is association filed, your lordship had directed them to consider the representation in terms of Madhya Pradesh judgment.
Yes.
But that is yet to be decided, and they have proceeded with this.
They have not considered that.
That your lordship may concede. Go in my note.
Where is the counter? Your lordship may ask the counter.
Paragraph 1 on my note. The prayer is to quash Annexure 7 issued in violation of direction dated 18/8/25 passed by WPC number 418 of 2025. Your lordship has passed this. To direct opposite party number 2 to allow existing tenants to continue in their respective places on ground of having vast experience in similar field in terms of Annexure 3 order of MP High Court. That they are relying. So far, prayer number 1 is concerned. Respect to submissions are that in fact in the fact and circumstances of the case there is no while issuing the Annexure 7 as alleged. On 18/8/2025, this honorable court disposed of the representation number so also directing to dispose of the representation dated 28/7/2025, granting 6 weeks time to take a decision. An interim measure directed not to take any coercive action against the petitioner. You not directed that. Pursuant to the same direction, while the matter was under consideration and before the stipulated time period of 6 weeks expired, as granted by this honorable court, petitioner again on 2/9/25, after 2 weeks, approached this honorable court by present petition just after 2 weeks, alleging violation of direction dated 18/8/25, passed in WPC number also, and prayed for passing of Annexure 7, which is 38/25, a timeline issued to initiate process election and the recruitment of vocational coordinators and vocational trainers. Your lordship is disposed of to consider their representation and no coercive action will be taken against it. Then, after when matter was under consideration, just after your lordship granted 6 weeks time, just after 2 weeks, completion of 2 weeks, then again they approach your lordship that they have violated, the state has violated your lordship's order, and Annexure 7 may be stayed. By that time, the implementation considered. And your lordship was stayed, and all the process of selection of recruitment were stopped.
Now, I confine this interim order only to the petitioner.
Petitioner, no coercive action to be taken, your lordship has said.
Correct.
Nothing else.
Yes.
Your lordship has not
not stalled anything.
Yes.
Now they are here. Now what I will make is, there are 18 persons.
Yes, 19 persons.
19 persons.
Yes.
The whatever interim order has been granted,
yes,
is confined to the petitioners before the court.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
You're also disposing it of?
Yes.
We'll dispose it off only. We are protecting you and it will be disposed of.
So our service will be protected.
Your service will be protected in terms of clause 5. Priority shall be given.
No, that is for that your lordship may have to hear the matter.
No, argue.
Yes, your lordship.
Yeah.
My lord, while issuing the notice, because while what I say, your lordship, giving priority is something different than continuing my services, my lord. Whatever servicing I am in.
Mr. Lanka, what is meant by priority? Let me clarify.
Yes.
By priority.
In the selection process, priority shall be given to this one. In this box. In the selection process, their case will be given priority.
Means what?
Means your lordship may say priority means they are continuing. They are eligible, they are continuing.
You have used that word priority.
Yes.
It is not a statute. It is some officer has a priority.
Yes. The project that.
What is he having in his mind when he employed this word?
Their case will be considered.
Means what?
For recruitment, obviously.
On priority basis.
Yes.
Means what?
Obviously their case will be considered.
No.
That is not what it is.
My question remains unanswered.
Yes, sir.
By your submission, it is not a complete answer to my question.
Sorry, ma'am.
What is meant by priority? Ask Mr. G, what is meant by priority?
Priority means, my lord, first they will be given chance for a engagement, thereafter others will be engaged.
Means they will be engaged thereafter for whatever
Recruitment process is going on, they will be engaged. Other candidates.
Priority will be given in selection process.
Unless these English words sometimes will play a lot of mischief. You will say priority is given. Actually, unless you say what is meant by priority, they will not be satisfied.
Annexure 7 is a selection timeline for a selection process.
Yeah.
In that Annexure 7, it has been written.
They don't have any respect for the court's order. Your Lordship directed 18 to consider my representation. They come up with an advertisement on 30.
No.
Just wait. I am submitting the court. I am not submitting to you.
Every respect.
Sir, your Lordship passed an order on 18-8 in the earlier writ petition to consider my representation. They have come up with the notification on 30th of August. They say now 6 weeks had not expired. How did they come to the court?
The court had a protection.
So your Lordship, no, that protection came later. Protection came later.
When your
But
Lordship,
where is the interim order?
Interim order, your Lordship, 9/9/2025. Interim order very clear, my Lord.
What it says? No coercive action shall be taken.
yes.
Order number such and such, senior counsel such and such to the earlier order of court. This is important, my lord. Appearing for the petitioner draws attention of the court to the earlier order of this court in WPC number 22418 of 2025, disposed of on 18/8/2025, wherein consideration of petitioner's representation in the light of WPC such a Dipti Pandey case, my lord, disposed of in such and such were directed. A prima facie case is made out for granting provisional protection since the very breadwinner of the petitioner is at stake.
Right.
In the above circumstances, the application having been favored, the impugn order dated such and such 30th/8/2025.
Heard counsel appearing for the parties. First one. Learned AGM Mr. Lenka submits that the interim order is too broad and the entire process has been interdicted by its breadth. First, he further submits that the interim order be confined to the petitioners, as has been observed by apex court in a Keteno decision. First, the senior advocate appearing for petitioner submits that if their service, the services of his clients are continued, they have no quarrel with the OPs. First, next, in the above circumstances, the interim order dated, where is that? What do we do?
10/9, my lord. 9/9.
9/9/2025 is confined to petitioners. First, eventually, the process in respect of others would continue.
This order will be in the first case as well.
In whichever case.
No, both the cases. 19
Both the cases.
both the cases.
Yes. In other cases, how many members?
They are 9, here 10.
No,
This order may pass
you
with both.
continue them, the rest of the people you go for the process.
Public.
Yes. Yes. Sir, is not well. Yes, sir.
Item 44.